So my name's Neil Berry, I am Course Director for Building Surveying and Architectural Technology, and today we're at Leeds Central Library. It's really nice to come and look around the buildings. The experts we have who are showing the students around, really knowledgeable, not only about the library and the history, but also about how the building's developed and the construction side of that. And I think the students have really enjoyed that and taken quite a bit away from that.
Today the trip's been really exciting. I've learned a lot about Leeds Central Library's history, its evolution, how it's progressed and how it's been repaired and modified throughout time. This trip today has been really important in putting my learning into practice. I managed to get quite hands-on experience, I'd say, looking around the building, seeing the repairs that have been done to it and the repairs that will hopefully be done to it in the future.
This module, which is Building Design Through the Ages, helps show them all the different types of buildings that they're likely to come across in their career. We have lots of opportunities to see buildings through the different ages, everything from a nice old historic building like this to brand new builds. So we're quite lucky in some ways at Leeds Beckett that we have lots of links with industry. We can get access, we can get into all these different buildings to show the students different areas, and I think it's one of the strengths we have as a university.
When I graduate, I would love to be able to do my APC examination, which would allow me to become an even better building surveyor, and this course really helps because you get a lot of help and support with your APC assessment.
So I would say to students thinking of studying this course is have a look at the information that's out there, have a look at what building surveying is, what opportunities it will bring, and at the end of the day, come and see us and see whether it's going to be right for you.